Hi everyone, welcome back to Three Kids in a Home. I am Tiffany and today I am getting everything ready for my children to go back to school. Summer break has ended for us and it is that wonderful time of year again where they move up to the next grade. So follow me as I go ahead and get a little bit of laundry done, some school shopping done, and some meal prep done for the week. So if you've been sticking with me over the last few weeks, you'll see that I've been doing a lot of decluttering, a lot of organizing, and that is because I wanted to make sure that I got rid of all the old so that I can make room for the new. So I have all of their new school clothes, so I'm just sorting through everything, cutting all the tags off. I always like to make sure I wash all of their new items before they wear them. You just never know what type of conditions these have been sitting in. I've shared with you all that when I buy my children's clothes, I usually buy them a size too big. They grow so fast and I just want to make sure that I'm able to get my money's worth out of them, and so I'll usually buy their clothes in bulk. And so what ends up happening is at the end of a few years, once they've finally grown out of everything, I'll have to do a huge decluttering, which is what happened in my last few videos. So when it comes to back to school shopping, I usually like to wait until the teacher actually puts their specific supply list out, because the general list that's usually on the school website, the teachers usually don't need all of that. And so to avoid overspending, I usually just wait for that specific list. So sometimes I'm in there at the last minute buying school supplies. And when I do like to buy my school supplies, the main place that I do like to shop at is Walmart, because all of their things are usually very inexpensive. Every once in a while I'll find myself at Target, just because my daughter may have like a book bag or something from there, but the majority of my school supplies come from Walmart. So once I have school supplies, I like to go ahead and sort everything out and go ahead and get it into their book bag, so that way we don't forget anything and I can make sure I have everything that is needed. Mornings are super busy in our house, and this is just one way to make sure we don't miss anything. If you are new to my channel, I just want to say welcome to you all. I am Tiffany, and on this channel you will find all things home decor, cleaning, DIY, and organization, with a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled here and there. So if you like to see that sort of thing, make sure you hit like and subscribe. We'd love to have you all here. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you all so much for coming back again to visit this week. It means so much to me, and I hope everyone's summer is going well. So this year my 5th grader was very easy to pack for. There wasn't a lot of items that he needed. It was my 2nd grader who had the bulk of these school supplies, which is fine with me. I always like to buy a little bit of extra supplies just in case there are any kids that may need some. So as you can imagine, as a family of 5, we go through a ton of laundry every single week. It is just never ending. So I do wash clothes every single day, and just to try to avoid things from piling up and getting out of hand, one rule that I like to try to follow is that I will not take anything out of the dryer until I'm actually ready to fold it. When I follow this one simple rule, this helps to make sure that I go ahead and put away all the clothes and that nothing gets piled up. So I recently redid my girls' shared closet in their bedroom. So if you want to see how I put this look together, make sure you go in and check out last week's video. But I've got everything organized. The left side is my 2-year-olds and the right side is my 7-year-olds. And then with these drawers, I do have all of my 7-year-olds pajamas in one. In these bins, I have like my girls' socks. The top bin has all of her t-shirts, so everything is just organized where they can go right to it. They know where everything is. my children were younger, I would pull out 5 outfits and let them choose every day which one they wanted to wear. As they're getting a little older, they actually are very good about picking out their own clothes and getting dressed pretty quickly in the morning, so I don't necessarily pull everything out. However, if there's something that they want to wear, that I will just pull it to the front of the clothing rod so that they can easily reach it. And usually with the system that we have in place, I'll usually hang the majority of their school clothes up, and then clothes that they can just wear around the house, like I call them their relaxed clothes, those are the ones that I'll usually store in the drawers. These drawer dividers have really been a lifesaver when it comes to organizing these drawers in my son's room. I store his socks, his undergarments, things of that nature in these, and it makes it really easy to be able to divide everything and make it easily accessible. So I have not yet got to my son's closet, and I'm not really in a rush because we are going to be rearranging all of the kids' bedrooms soon. This room will soon be my oldest daughter's room, and then my son is actually going to be moving to the 3rd floor. So once we get ready to start moving everybody around, that is when I'll actually do this closet. But for now, I just do the same method where I hang up all of his school clothes and I put all of his lounge clothes in the drawer. I do keep all of his outfit sets, even though they're mostly winter, still hung up, just because he does like to wear those around the house. So anything that is a set where it has a hoodie and the sweatpants to it, I also hang those up in the closet. So now that I've gotten all the clothes washed and put away, I'm just going to make these first day of school gift bags for the teacher. I don't really do a lot. I just like to give them something to show appreciation. So I'm just going to fill these with these water bottles that I found at the Family Dollar. Then next I'm just going to stick in these pens. I'm also going to be adding in some sanitizing wipes and some sanitizer, and then also just some sticky pads, just a few emergency items as I call them, to get them through the year, just to show our appreciation. The very last thing that I'm going to be doing is just a little bit of meal prep. I always like to keep fresh fruits on hand for them to be able to take if they don't want to eat what's on the school menu, in addition to just having a secondary choice. So today I'm just whipping up a chicken salad. This is an easy, convenient option for them to take when they don't want to eat what's on the school menu. It only requires just a few ingredients. So for this, it's just mayonnaise, Dijon mustard. I like to add lots of sweet relish, some celery, some eggs, some paprika, onion powder, a little salt and pepper, and sugar. And then this is just something that they can eat on all throughout the week. So for my kids, they had such a short summer because they are in year-round school, but it was definitely eventful and packed full of fun. So I hope that everyone has had a wonderful summer, and as the children prepare to go back to school, I just pray that the Lord keeps them all safe, happy, and healthy for the school year. And I just want to thank you all so much for watching with me. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, be blessed.